Hello and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today we are tackling the SPY, the S&P 500 index, and doing a deep dive into what's happening based on the current news and events, and also by looking at the chart data. Recent news shows that the S&P 500 is drifting near record levels. Major financial news outlets are reporting that the index closed at a new record high yesterday, while some other indices saw small declines. If we look at the daily chart, we see the SPY has shown a recent surge in price, reaching a new high. This could be partly influenced by the positive economic news. Let's examine the 1-hour chart for a closer look at recent price action. Here, we can see a series of higher highs and higher lows, confirming the uptrend. The volume is relatively high during these price spikes, signifying strong buying pressure. Zooming in on the last 24 hours of the 1-hour chart reveals some short-term volatility, but the price continues its overall upward movement. This might be a result of some investors taking profits after the significant recent gains. Now, let's switch to the 15-minute chart to see the most recent price action. We can see some consolidation, as the price has been moving sideways over the last few hours. It appears to be in a range between 602 and 604. The recent consolidation suggests a potential short-term pullback before the next leg up. However, the overall trend remains bullish, which means that the price could continue to rise over the long term. Looking at all time frames together, we see strong support around the 570 level. Resistance is currently around the 605 level on the daily chart and could be higher within a short time. A break above 605 could trigger a significant price increase. Based on the current bullish trend and the recent positive news, it's likely that the SPY will continue to rise in the short term. The price may test the 605 resistance, and if it breaks through, a potential target would be 620. However, negative economic news or any unexpected geopolitical events could trigger a sharp decline. Investors should keep an eye on the Federal Reserve's upcoming statements regarding interest rates, as these statements can impact investor behavior and market dynamics. In summary, the SPY is currently in a bullish trend, but short-term volatility is expected. Key support levels are around 570, while key resistance levels are around 605, with 620 as a possible additional target if the 605 resistance is broken. The likelihood of the bullish prediction depends on the release of positive economic data and whether unexpected events occur. Keep an eye on these levels and news events for further insight.